Nililigawan mo ba si Kim Chiu?
I think
Trending at pinag-usapan sa online world ang pagbisita ni Attorney Oliver Mueller sa programang Showtime nitong isang araw. Biro pa nga sa kanya ni Vice ganda baka daw si Kim Chiu na ang binibisita ng sporty lawyer from Cebu. Kaya nang makaharap ng media ay diretsahan na siyang tinanong kung nililigawan na nga ba niya ang aktres.
Ba't ka bumalik sa Showtime?
I'm just here to meet some friends to say thank you to everyone.
You're under oath, you cannot lie.
Yes, don't worry. And yeah, I just want to see some people again who I've missed since I.
Pero are you aware na maraming kinikilig sa inyo ni Kim Chiu? Kim Atienza.
I've been told. I've been told. Yeah.
Ano reaction mo?
Surprising. I mean, all of this is so overwhelming. So I did not expect any of this. So yeah, I'm just happy.
At aware ka rin ba na after your guessing sa Showtime, nag-trend ka ng todo?
Yes,
Even your
I
workout
noticed.
videos trended online.
Yes, yeah, I did notice that.
O, anong reaction mo doon?
I guess happy din naman about it. I guess that's the power of Showtime. I never expected any of this when I got invited on the show. I was like, okay, I'll do this for fun, and now this is happening, which is pretty crazy.
Ito bang nangyari sa iyo opened a new door for you?
Yes, I believe it has, definitely.
What kind of door?
Just opening network connections, friends, and maybe a possible shift in career.
So it means you're gonna be accepting projects for television?
I'm definitely keeping an ear out for that. So you never know. That's part of the reason why I'm in Manila now.
Nililigawan mo ba si Kim Chiu?
I think it would be a bit unfair to Kim for me to answer that question without asking her permission first.
Diretso. Diba? Ganun ang sagot.
Yeah,
Diba?
I'm so sorry, but yeah. But Kim's an amazing person, just like anyone.
So you're a lawyer.
Yes.
Have you met our prosecutor? Diretso yung
Yes,
Sorry,
Karen.
Oliver.
Thank you.
Wait, MJ, before you leave, kasi nga ikaw ang prosecutor. Does he have what it takes to make it?
Make, anong klase nga muna? What path? Because if it's hosting, that's trainable, maganda yun. If it's acting, syempre maraming aasa na baka pwedeng may... Diba?
Bilang prosecutor,
Okay, may
bilang
dating
prosecutor,
yan.
manager din.
Pero definitely may dating si Oliver. Kasi
Thank
hindi
you,
siya
thank you so much.
pag-uusapan online after the guesting. Uy, nag-date pa kayo ni Michelle D?
Oh yes,
How was it?
it was good. She's super professional, elegant, super well spoken.
Date daw kayo ng minder ko. Joke lang.
Lumayo yung ito na MJ.
Umani ng samut-saring reaksyon ang naging sagot ni Oliver. O hindi lang naman ang isasagot nito. Kaya komento tuloy ng ilang netizens, pang showbiz na din ang mga birahan nitong si Attorney. Pinaghirapan namin ang kimpaw na lumaki ang fandom tas bigla-bigla kang papasok. Baka gagamitin din ito si Kim para sumikat tapos ending walhay. Ay nako, papansin tong attorney na ito. Kung may mga ayaw kay Oliver para kay Kim Chiu, ay marami din naman ang kinilig sa dalawa, na bagay din naman daw silang maging couple. Malakas naman ang kutob ng ilan na tila ipapasok siya sa PBB at isa sa magiging housemate bilang pagsisimula ng kanyang showbiz career sa ABS-CBN.